All right. Good evening, everyone. It is Sunday, June 22nd, 2025. Here's your evening headlines on this lovely Sunday evening. A heat advisory will be in effect for the majority of the Piedmont region beginning at 11 a.m. tomorrow and will conclude 10 a.m. on Tuesday. It's because of the heat index that may range from 102 to 109 degrees. That's going to start tomorrow. That heat wave, that front is going to be over us for the next couple of days. It may bring showers on Wednesday. So if you're trying to do some activities outdoors, it's best to do it in the morning, but try to limit yourself to be outdoors. Try to bring plenty of fluids, and if you are planning to do any outdoor practices for any sports, I would not I would not do it. Okay. I would not do it at all because it's going to be hot, folks. It's going to be hot. Right. Here's the almanac for today. High was at 92 degrees with a low of 70, which is, we are above high for today. Our normal high is at 8. Our average is 85 with a low of 68. Our record was set back in 2011 with a high of 130 degrees, but our low was actually set back in 1970 with a low of 72 degrees. Zero rain right now on the forecast right now. No chances of rain right now. Sunrise at 6 a.m. Set at 8:34 p.m. So later on tonight. So 8:34. All right, moving on to lovely day outdoors today. If you got any, it is hot outside, but try to enjoy it as much as you can. 91 degrees right now, sunny skies. Later on tonight, 74 with clear skies, no chance of rain, which is good if you're planning to either walk the dog or trying some enjoy the night out here in downtown Fuquay. All right, here's your 7-day forecast powered by WeatherWise, which is part of Storm TV Network. Of course, 100 degrees tomorrow, which is going to be hot. 100 degrees all the way up until Wednesday. Temperatures could see, of course, with the feel like temperatures, it could reach to about 100, 102, 105 degrees. That's all the way up until Thursday. Friday, we could see a little bit of break in there with temperatures back down, still in the high 90s, but back down to about 98. We could see some isolated storms next weekend, but I don't see, there could be some isolated storms here and there, off and on. If you look at the morning lows, we're going to start off in the high 70s. Yeah. So again, if you have any plans to make errands, to run some errands, it's best to do it early in the morning versus late afternoon because it's going to be hot. Okay. All right. Here's a live cam right now at Carolina Beach right now. You see some people enjoying the sand, some people enjoying the water, enjoying this nice weather right now on this lovely Sunday night. Beautiful, beautiful seagulls going around right now. And then here's another live look out of Sunset Beach. Here is the Sunset Beach Pier webcam. Again, you see some people enjoying the sand as well. Some people enjoying the weather right now. Beautiful, beautiful day right now. All right. So for the next few days, again, temperatures is going to start in the high 70s. It's going to be severely hot. Our high tomorrow and Tuesday, 101. Yeah, 101. Yeah, it's going to be hot. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has announced for Tuesday, has announced a extreme heat watch for Tuesday that's going to start at 10 a.m. on Tuesday all the way up until 8 p.m. And the reasons for that because of the heat index that could be value up to 110 degrees. So again, try to stay out of the sun for long periods of time. Try to drink some plenty of fluids, drink some water. If you're wearing, bring sunscreen, glasses, take care of yourself, okay, in this extreme hot weather, okay? All right, here's the town by town forecast right now. Let's see what everybody's checking in on this lovely Sunday. Fuquay right now, checking in at 87. Claremont, cloudy skies right now, 79. Rock Hill, 87. Charlotte, 86 degrees. Troy, 86. Fayetteville down to Sand Hills, 87. But if you're out in the Boone area, you're checking in at 74. In the Virginia, you're checking in at 86 in Martinsville and Danville. Wellington, 84, and of course at the RDU airport, 88. So lovely day. Temperatures dipping down to the 80s, which is nice, which will continue throughout. Would dip down to the 70s throughout the day. So that is a perfect time to either, like you saw people out there, either enjoying the weather, enjoying the sand, or enjoying the ocean right now. All right, so here is a live look at here's a live look at the radar right now. Of course, nothing really on for our area, nothing really, but of course we got some rain. No, we don't have any rain. I thought we do. But again, we're under an extreme heat watch and a heat advisory that's going on right now in the Triad and majority of parts of the Piedmont and the coastal plain region. We do have some rain off to our west here near Asheville, right near Cherokee, Robinsonville. Little sprinkle showers right over there, but nothing too major right now. As you can see, Tennessee, also Kentucky, a lot is going on over down that way. And a little rain right now on I-20 right near in Georgia. So, but here in the Carolinas, we're nothing on the radar right now. Clear skies right now. Beautiful day. Like I said again, if you want to take your dog on a walk, little clouds here and there, but if you want to take your dog to a walk or just take a stroll downtown somewhere, this is a beautiful day to do it. Like I said again, tomorrow it is going to be extreme hot. Actually, all through this weekend up until Thursday. We could see some rain on Wednesday. Chat back in with me again on Wednesday night, actually Wednesday afternoon, to check and see. But other than that, I hope you have a fantastic Sunday, and I will see y'all again tomorrow night at 8 p.m. Of course, you can follow me, Andrew Frett, on all of my social medias at Drew. I got to make sure it's correct first. At Drew_Frett WX. Of course, I am part of NC Weather Now. And you will catch Junior TV also on NC Weather Now tomorrow morning. But until then, I will see y'all tomorrow night. Take care, everybody.